Hello guys, today I got my gas alarm. If you have a family or little children or babies at home, then you should definitely need one of these for your kitchen. It's gonna detect LPG, natural gas and coal gas, right? And here's the device that I just got, and here's a power indicator, state indicator and the alarm indicator. When it goes like dee 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 dee, then you got the gas alarm. So here's the installation instruction, and it mentions right here you should not install this next to the door or window where there is a air flow, next to an extractor fan, or where the temperature may drop below minus 10 degrees Celsius or above 40 degrees Celsius. So your home inside should not be that temperature, right? And here is the operation, how you're going to do it. Like the warm-up state, like once you put this device into the outlet, that's the warm-up state. Like it's going to give you two flash DD sound, and after that the pre-alarm state, like when it's going to check everything runs smoothly, then it goes like and it says right here, when displaying 3 to 9, then the state lead light rate, that's like the indicator is, your gas is leaking, or right. And when it's like quick DDD, then the sound will display 6789, means like your house is extremely in danger. And okay, let's install. Okay, so right here I'm going to install this. You just saw that, right? It says like teet teet, and after that it's let me zoom it a little bit. It's going to the state, it's in the warm-up state right now. So it says right here in the instruction, after approximately 4 minutes it's gonna display 0. Okay, so 0 is good, and your device should always stay in 0. So let's this wait for 4 minutes, and then we're gonna check back after 4 minutes how it's gonna react. Okay, it's about 3 minutes past and it's still checking, so let's wait for 1 more minute. Right here now 4 minutes had passed, so you see the indicator is showing 0, which means good. Now we're gonna check with the gas open with okay, gas leakage. So let's try with that. So right here I'm gonna open the gas. Okay, you saw the sound, right? So let's see how that device gonna react. I'm just blowing the gas to the device, or I can smell the gas already. Let me close the gas. You saw right? It's going okay. Yeah, I only opened the gas for like maybe 30 seconds. You saw, like it's closed now, but now it's going back to 0 or 1, because the device is still smelling some gas. So it's 0 or 1. So now it's unstable. So definitely you should have one of this, and it's called gas alarm. You can get these things like on eBay or Amazon just for like 15 or 20 bucks. Make sure you got one of this. Thank you for watching.